Hey guys, it's Lock Sunday here, and thought I'd do something a little bit different today. This is called an XLNT. It says solid bronze, and it kind of looks like one of those Yales, with the same kind of body design. But we have a wafer lock. Never actually picked one of these on my channel yet, I don't think. But thought we would today. Hopefully. And I can't remember who sent this to me, but if you did send this to me and you remember, please leave a comment so I can give you credit. Because I don't think I bought this one myself. Got a good little click there in the back. I'm going to use a different tensioner here just to give myself better space. As long as it fits. No? Let's see. Yeah, it's about the same as the other one. Oh well. I'll just use a shorter hook here with the sparrows. So I'm kind of groggy here today. It's cold and I feel sick, and I end up driving. There we go. Driving 6 hours today to go pick up a truck for work, but I thought I'd get this done first. So there we have it. Not too terrible. Pretty cool lock. Just had to pull this out of my collection. I was just looking through it to see what we could pick for today, but yeah, there we go. Huh. Key doesn't want to work, but yeah, we got it picked anyway. Yeah, the key doesn't work, but we got her picked. Interesting. Anyway, that's what we got for this Lock Sunday. Hope you guys stay warm and have a good rest of your weekend. Thanks for watching. Bye.